Hello art friends, and welcome to another episode of our random drawing prompt challenge video. We need to find a better name for that, I think. But in this video, what we do is we grab a random idea from our magical fishbowl of great ideas, and we've got lots in there, and whatever we pull out, we have to draw. So you can, and then at the end we will reveal our drawings and we can just see what it looks like. And it's lots of fun. And you can follow along as well. All you need is some paper and something to draw with, something to colour in. And then, yeah, let's have fun. So, would you like to do the honours? Oh, okay. I don't know what it is.
Draw the other person.
There you go. Draw the other person. So I have to draw you, and then you have to
draw you.
Me. Yeah.
I draw you.
Now, what you can do is, if you're by yourself, you can get a mirror to draw yourself, or maybe you've got a brother or sister, or mum and dad in the house. You can draw them, or you can draw us as well if you really want to. But yeah, okay. So we have to draw each other.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
Yeah.
And we're back, so we've finished colouring in and drawing our challenge. So our challenge was to draw the other person. So we've drawn each other. And so for the big reveal, do you want to talk about your drawing?
Sure. So, I made his pants pink and his top is blue and some socks that are blue with black stripes.
Yes, now in the moment of truth, does it really look like me? I think it does. I think it does. You did a great job. And for mine, I drew you. So this is what I drew. Your messy hair because, yes, I didn't really do your hair today. And you're poking your tongue out because you're always pulling funny faces and doing silly things. Now, does that look like you?
Yes.
I think it does, yes. So I think we did it both. We both did a great job.
Yes.
I'm sure you did a wonderful job drawing whoever you're drawing as well. Now it's just some tips for drawing faces, because faces are pretty hard to draw. So when you're drawing someone, you can look at things like, look at the shape of their head. So that's quite a good way to draw someone, is to look at the shape of the head and look at the features. You know, think about, you know, does this person have, what type of hair do they have? Is it long, short, what colour is it? You know, maybe they're wearing glasses, or they've got some other details that you can put in there as well. So notice those little details, put it in there, and you'll make a really good portrait of, or drawing of someone else. Well, there you go. I hope you followed along on this challenge and drew the other person, or drew someone. Maybe you drew yourself, maybe you drew us, or maybe you drew your pet, or you drew something at least.
Yeah.
Check out our channel. We've got lots of other drawing videos and other drawing challenge videos as well. So have a look, and we'll see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye.